Hello traders, the title of this video is Fibonacci Trader Reveals Unique Fibonacci Tactics. Let's get started. We are on a monthly chart of Cancer Genetic Incorporated, Epic CGIX, Charlie Golf India S-Ray. This is a healthcare sector stock talking about diagnostic and research. And we want to talk about Fibonacci Trader Reveals Unique Fibonacci Tactics. All right, so you have been using Fibonacci, okay? What are your Fibonacci trading tactics? So when we are talking about tactics, okay, so you are applying one method, you are trying to see can you improve that Fibonacci trading method? You are looking at various Fibonacci trading methods and you are selecting the best Fibonacci trading tactics that you understand, that you master, that you can use. All right, that's the point of this tutorial, talking about unique Fibonacci tactics. So I have been playing around with Fibonacci over the year, Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci extension, and I have noticed some of the Fibonacci trading methods that I can rely on, that I can work with. All right. So let's get started. Also, trader told me that, okay, John, why do you always use the monthly charts? All right, that's a very good question because they say they are day traders. All right, I will be posting some video, essential video at 2 for Stock Trader, and I will answer that question at 2 for Stock Trader YouTube channel. All right, as a day trader, one can use any time frame. Okay, so the strategy that I'm sharing with you today on a monthly chart is valid on every time frame. All right, but one can switch from the monthly chart back to the 15-minute time frame, even to the 30-minute time frame and 3-minute time frame. All right, so do not be put off because I'm using a monthly chart. I can go to the daily chart, but what I'm trying to do here is to show trader that it's better to see the bigger picture instead of going to the lower time frame, playing with the market noise. All right, but one can apply this strategy on any time frame. Be careful, always use different time frame. Let's go back to the main topic, Fibonacci trading tactics. All right, so what I have noticed, so I'm going to start a demonstration first and then you will see whether my tactics is good or not. All right, so you can see that the price went up from here. So I'm talking about this point to this point. All right, so price went up. So Fibonacci retracement trader will place their Fibonacci trading tools on their chart and they are wondering which zone, all right, the price is likely, hold on please, okay, hold on. It's likely to change direction. That's the whole point of the Fibonacci retracement and Fibonacci extension. So traders are looking for, okay, trading zone where there is a high chance that the price may change direction. All right, so some traders will be looking at a 38.2% level. Okay. Some traders will be looking at the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, 61.8%, 78%, and so on. Other traders will be looking at Fibonacci extension level. Sorry, my apology to traders. Just drinking my coffee make me my apology to traders. So traders will be looking at the Fibonacci extension level, 138%, 150%, 161.8%, and so on. Okay. So now you can see the price went up from here to here. So now it start pulling back. So we want to know where is it going to change direction so we can buy or sell. Okay. So because it went up, we'll be looking for a pullback under a low trading volume into a specific Fibonacci trading zone. Okay. So the tactics that I recommend to traders, instead of trying to buy or sell at one Fibonacci retracement level or one Fibonacci extension level, one should use 2 Fibonacci retracement levels or 2 Fibonacci extensions level. All right, so you will be thinking of something that looks like a band. So talking about, for instance, 50%, instead of looking for 50%, one will look for between 50% and 61.8%. So look for two Fibonacci retracement levels. So consider it as a zone instead of one line. That's what I'm talking about, okay? Instead of one line, so you think of two lines. This is the best strategy to use. So as you can see, the price went up from here to here, but it changed in direction in a zone of 50% and 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. Before I forget, there are various, okay, Fibonacci trading zone that I would like to recommend to traders. The first one is between the 50% and the 61.8% level. All right. Okay. All right. There's another one between 150 and 161.8% Fibonacci extension level. All right. Okay. Apart from those Fibonacci, okay, bands, I'm calling them band or zone, Fibonacci trading zone, because we are using two Fibonacci key levels instead of one to look for, okay, reversal point. All right. Another thing that trader can do, okay, is to pay attention to the median line, okay, between the two Fibonacci retracement or extension level. But for that one, I would like traders to use mostly the zone between the 100% and the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level. So I talk about the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level over the year, okay. So if you want to know more about the power of the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level, you go to www.dayprotraders.com and you may understand more. So talking about the median line between two Fibonacci key levels, so talking about Fibonacci key level, we want to pay attention to, especially if there is a wide gap between one Fibonacci key level and the other one. So one example is between the 100% and the 138.2% level. If you look at this talk now, talking about Cancer Genetics Incorporated, all right, you see that it's now on the dot at the median line between the 100% and the 138.2% Fibonacci retracement level. We know that most of the reversal, so if price going down, the first challenge for that bearish momentum is what? The 138.2% Fibonacci extension level. If the price break below the prior low. So now here it is finding support. This is why we are talking about the reversal that often take place at 138.2% Fibonacci extension level. But now, talking about Fibonacci trader reveal unique Fibonacci trading tactics, we want to, from today, all right, start drawing the median line between the 100% and the 138.2% level. Sometimes you'll see that the price will acknowledge those median line between two Fibonacci key level. So the first thing that I said was that instead of using one Fibonacci retracement level or one Fibonacci extension level, one should use two. So this is about Fibonacci trading zone. All right. The next thing that I'm talking about is that when you have two lines, okay, two Fibonacci key level, all right, and there is a wide gap between those two Fibonacci key level, one should draw the median line between those two Fibonacci extension level. So as you can see here, the first time the price came quite close to that median line between the 138.2% and the 100% level. You see here how we came quite close to it and then bounce up. This is what we are talking about. All right. Okay. Let's continue to show you more on the chart. So as always, what we are doing on YouTube is not plug and play. All right. So there is always a work that trader will do. You watch the video, which is free on YouTube. All right. Do you like it? Yes, I like it. Okay, do you find it useful? Yes, I found it useful. Okay, now next step, just use a demo account, practice. Is it working? All right. Have any question, put it below, all right? Any suggestion, put it in the comment section. And then from there, we keep recording more videos. Sometimes trader may say, oh, you did not reply to my comment, but another video will answer your questions. All right, so here it is. So we see now, if I went out from here to here, we change the direction between the 50% and the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. Two key levels. All right. Okay, let's continue. So now he went down. Okay, what we are talking about. I will remove the line so I don't do something else. Now he went down from here to this point here. Went up from here to this level here. Now it start going up. Where is he going to change direction? You see? Where is he going to change direction? If you look carefully, again, between those 50%, you want a little bit above it though, so you need to be very patient. You will see that happening all the time. It's not going to be exactly inside those zone, but you can see that it pop up, okay? Or somebody may say, okay, George is in fact between the 78% and the 61.8% zone. So instead of one Fibonacci key level, one is using two. So you are considering, okay, the zone between those two Fibonacci key level as Fibonacci trading zone or Fibonacci trading band, whatever you want to call it. And so you may say, George, how do we know it's going to change direction there? Wait until it change direction. What do I mean? Look for candlestick patterns in those zones. So between two Fibonacci key level, observe or analyze the candlestick patterns. So if you are trading Fibonacci, you want to understand the price action, and also you want to understand, okay, candlestick pattern. I've been talking about candlestick pattern at Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. There is a playlist about candlestick pattern. Very important for traders to understand candlestick pattern. All right, so one can combine candlestick pattern with Fibonacci. Okay, trading. Okay, all right. So this is what you want to look for. So you draw the lines, you are watching, so you have them on your chart between 61, 78%, 50, and 61. Very often you see between 50 and 61.8%. Then observe the candlestick pattern that are forming that zone. And after that, you will implement a multiple time frame trading method to trade it. Okay? That's the best approach. Okay? So here again, you will say, okay, between 50 and 61.8%. Somebody may say between 61 and 78% level. But if we switch our attention to the candlestick pattern, we can all make a decision. You see that this candlestick bar here pierced in this zone. It went up all the way here, have a long tail. What's going on here? Something is changing here. So you are now watching the reaction of the price. Okay, right here. Okay. All right, let's continue our demonstration. All right. So he went up, then he came down, then he rallied up to this point. Now let's use one more time. Here it is again, coming down from here all the way here. All right. Now, one thing I need to mention to trader very fast, you have to see that I'm drawing my line all the way to the top and all the way to the low. Not all traders do that. Sometimes you will see that I'll put it at the closing price. So always do both. Okay. So draw it like this, because some traders will draw it to the closing price, some will put it to the top. So do both, and so you do not miss anything. So if I put it here at the closing price instead of the top, and here we talked about all this before. I don't want to repeat myself, because other traders who already understood this may get upset with me and say, you said it before. Why are you saying it again? I'm saying it to new traders. Okay? All right. Okay, so here we have it now. So we say we are drawing it differently. We didn't put it at the top. So from here, went down. So again, where did it change direction? This time it changed direction between the 38.2% and the 50% zone. Okay, but if we put it at the top, because other traders will draw it like this, okay, we will say that it changed. Okay, same zone again, same zone between 50% and 38.2% zone. So observe the candlestick pattern that are formed in that band, or wait for it to come out of the band, or to come out of the the Fibonacci trading zone. So you went to that zone, 2 key levels, that is highlighting, okay, the Fibonacci trading zone. Now it's coming out, so it's going down. So if you went into the band and coming out, well, we implement a top-down trading method to trade it. 2 key level instead of 1 Fibonacci, a key level. So this is about, okay, Fibonacci trader, reveal unique Fibonacci trading tactics. So I say to trader, my recommendation, watch mainly 50% between the zone between 50% and 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level, the 150 and 161.8% Fibonacci extension level. Draw the median line between the 100% and the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level. Whenever there is a gap between, there is a huge space, all right, a wide space between one Fibonacci key level and the next Fibonacci key level, all right, always pay attention to the median line between those 2 Fibonacci key levels. All right, as you can see here, we told you before, price changing direction near the median line between 100% and, okay, the 138.2% Fibonacci retracement level. Traders must pay attention to the candlestick pattern. All right, what's happening in that zone? All right, before you make your decision, don't assume that definitely is going to change direction. Candlestick bar must close. You see here, that one must close. All right. If you want to enter the trade early stage, like somebody saying to me, John, why do you always show the monthly chart? So you are now the monthly chart. You see, it came into the zone. You don't want to wait. All right, if you want to go to the daily chart to monitor a weekly chart, go to the weekly chart, wait for a weekly candlestick bar to close, have a clear cut, okay, candlestick pattern in place, have a valid trading setup that can generate a valid trading signal before you rush into the trade, okay? That's what we are talking about. So the reason why I also use the monthly chart, it allows trader to wait more. So you wait more patiently, okay? But you say, I'm a day trader, okay? This strategy, we can apply it also on the daily chart, all right? On the 4-hour chart also, on the 2-hour time frame, on the 3-hour time frame. So that's for everybody, okay? All right? Even on a 15-minute time frame, we can apply this. But when you apply that on the lower time frame, know that this is about market noise, and it's better to find the setup on a higher time frame and then break it down into various time frames to see different picture. So you may understand exactly what is taking place, my friend. All right, okay. Now price change direction at 138.2% Fibonacci retracement level. So this is just a quick video about okay, Fibonacci trader, reveal unique Fibonacci trading tactic. Let me know how you find it. Okay, practice. If you like it, let me know. If you dislike it, all right, give us the thumbs up, the comment, constructive comment, not okay, all right, diplomatic comment, because there are some diplomatic comments also. All right. This is the end of this tutorial. We wish you the very best in your trading, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders, talking about Fibonacci trader reveals unique Fibonacci trading tactics. Speak to you soon.